Alright guys, you're probably wondering why the hell does the site look like this or look in this manner. And telling from the description, then you from the title you probably have an understanding of why. So what I did just a minute ago was that I removed the script the CDN because I found that it is a possible reason why the GitHub, it wasn't loading correctly on GitHub. So what I did was just get rid of the CDN files because uh, I'm not even sure, but I think what I remember with JavaScript is that if it doesn't load properly, then nothing, and it's at the top, nothing else on the page won't load. So I decided, and I also remember that you don't want to use the CDN in production mode, and basically this is a production mode when we did created this folder to upload. So that's the production aspect of it. So what I'm going to do now is just to show you or give you an update of how we're going to do it in a production style. So the first thing that we want to do is in our assets folder here, this is where we put our assets, our files, our necessary files and whatever. So in here I'm going to create a folder to import Bulma. But before we do that, what I want you to understand is that you need to do a couple make a couple commands before you can do this. But first of all, you need to run let me see if I could get a file that I could write this in. Nope. Let me see. Now we gotta add some dependencies to this thing, which I already added, so I don't really want to go over that again. But for the Bulma installation, what I'll do here is at the bottom of the README file here, what I'll do is I'll just put a comment right now, but I'm probably not gonna keep this because I'm pretty sure the dependencies will already be in there. So all you have to do is run an npm install if you're going to use this. So for the Bulma installation, this is what you'll need to do right now. So that's you'll run an npm install and you'll install Bulma, and you'll also, I think you don't really need anything but that, and then you're going to run an npm install for node-sass. So this is a SAS file for Bulma which we're going to require in our main.js to be able to use. So this is something that I'm going to leave in the description for you, so you'll be able to install Bulma properly. So enough of that. The first thing that I want to do here is I already have those installed. So basically you will see them in the package.json. So when they are installed, you'll see them here. So we have Bulma, we have node-sass, and we have sass loader. So these are the stuff that we'll need for that. So you want to ensure that these are in here when that is loaded. So for here, I'm going to create a new folder, well, a new file actually, but I'm going to put it in a folder called sass slash main.scss. So this is what I'm going to use, and in here we're just going to import. So we're going to import Bulma. So Bulma is in here in the node modules. So that's where we're going to import it from. So if this thing should open, I don't know why it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck. All right, here we go. So if you look in here, you'll see. Oh, it's closed again. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. When these things feel like it feels like it wants to work. So, all right, it's not opening. So let's just leave that for now. So all you have to do is just import from the main here, which you're going to go into the root directory here, and use the Bulma file will be in there because that's where it's installed in the node modules, and open now. So let me see if we see it here. So here we go. So Bulma. So this is where we are importing this file from, and I don't think I need to go into some major detail because this is actually slowing down things. So this Bulma SAS, this is where we're getting. So what I'm going to say is just from the main folder there, on the root direction, we're just gonna get Bulma slash Bulma. So this will be the Bulma file that we're getting, but we don't need to put the extension. The ID, the thing is smart enough to pick that up. So we can we're pretty much done with this. So we can close that out. And in the main file, we're going to require that in here. So you could probably import it, but I'm just going to require it because we need that for our thing here to look properly, to look good. So we're really going to need. Why did I do that? How did I get rid of this again? So we're gonna actually need this. So if it's not there, then the page, then basically we don't load anything, I guess. But we're really going to need this. From the root directory, just the same, we're going to go to assets slash sas slash what was it, main.scss, and we're going to save this. And I don't think I need to put any semicolon or anything there. If we go back to here now, let me look at this if it's reloading, compiling, and we have an error. We have a small error. Import. We have an error in our import error here, so let's check that out. So main. Alright, so we're importing Bulma from main.scss. Alright, so I see where the issue may lie. I don't think we really need this here. So just getting rid of this and just having Bulma slash Bulma should do the trick. So let's watch this thing refresh. And there, I guess there we go. Let's see here. Refresh this. And there we go. So now it is working as it should. So now we don't have any ugly CDN, and we just have this file here. So what I need to do now is to do a npm run build and see if I can get this for production. But I'm gonna leave that for another video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.